Getting distracted by the sounds in Facebook Messenger on your Android phone? These sounds pop up when you send messages or get notifications. Want a quieter experience? Here's how to turn off all in-app sounds in Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your phone, tap three lines, tap Settings, scroll down, and tap Notification and Sounds. Locate the in-app sounds option and toggle it off. Exit the settings, and all in-app sounds will now be disabled. You can also do the same things by tap and hold Messenger, tap I, tap Notification. This will also enable all the in-app sounds in your Messenger on Android. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to use Facebook Messenger without any sound issues. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.